Today, we're diving into Capcut to master the art of green screen removal, transforming your footage into something magical. Let's get started. First, open up Capcut and tap New Project. Select the video clip that has your green screen background once it's imported. Tap to select it on the timeline. Now, look at the bottom toolbar for the Cutout option. Tap on it, you'll see several choices, but we're interested in Chroma key. With Chroma key selected, a color picker wheel will appear. Tap this wheel, and then tap directly on the green color in your video. Capcut will try its best to isolate that green. You'll notice the green starts to disappear, revealing whatever is behind your subject. To fine-tune this, use the intensity slider. Dragging it to the right will strengthen the effect, making the green disappear more completely. The shadow slider helps refine the edges of your subject, removing any faint green fringing. Adjust this carefully until your subject looks natural against the background. Once you're happy with the green screen removal, head back to your main timeline. Now, you need a new background. Tap Overlay in the bottom toolbar and select Add Overlay. Choose the video or image you want as your new background. Make sure this new background layer is placed directly below your green screen clip on the timeline. You can then adjust its position and scale to fit perfectly. And there you have it. Your green screen is gone, replaced with your chosen scene. Export your masterpiece and share your incredible video effects.